How to get free gifts on Temu without inviting friends. Legal ways. Welcome to How to Mastery. Today I'll show you legitimate ways to get free gifts, coupons, and big discounts on Temu without inviting friends or breaking any rules. Let's dive in. First, if you're new to Temu, check the app for welcome offers. New accounts often get sign-up coupons, first-order discounts, or free shipping deals. These are the easiest freebies to grab. Next, visit the rewards or events section every day. Temu runs daily tasks, spin wheels, scratch cards, and mini games that award coins and coupons. Make a habit of opening the app and completing quick tasks. Small rewards add up fast. Also explore the coupons and deals pages. Sellers in Temu post limited-time freebies and heavy discounts there. Look for first X customers promotions on product pages. Sometimes sellers give free or near-free items to early buyers. Enable push notifications and pay attention to the home banners. Temu often announces flash giveaways or promo codes in-app first, so turning notifications on helps you catch them before they expire. Follow Temu's official social channels and join their communities. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Temu's official groups sometimes host giveaways, share exclusive codes, or announce events where you can earn free gifts. Check for payment or bank promos that stack with Temu coupons. Some payment methods or banks run limited offers that apply at checkout. Combining these can make an item free or nearly free. If Temu offers vouchers, gift cards, or reward redemptions, use those options instead of risky third-party converters. Redeeming official vouchers is safe and keeps your account secure. If you can't find an official cash-out or free option, contact Temu support and ask if there are active promotions or beginner rewards for your region. They can point you to legitimate campaigns. Important warnings. Never share your password, OTP, or personal banking info to get a coupon. Don't buy codes from unknown sellers. And avoid any method that asks you to create fake accounts or manipulate the platform. That risks suspension. That's it. The legal, safe ways to get freebies on Temu without inviting friends. Try these steps regularly, and you'll increase your chances of snagging free gifts and big discounts. If this video helped you, hit like, leave a comment about which tip worked best, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more legit tips and app hacks. See you next time.